This is how to set up and use Secure Folder on your Samsung phone. So first let's understand what is Secure Folder. So this is a feature on most Samsung phones. So if you have a Samsung S series or A series or Z series, then you will have this feature. Secure Folder is a private encrypted space on your Galaxy phone, and in this you can store apps, photos, videos, and this remains completely separate from the rest of your phone. And if you want to access the contents of this folder, then you have to put the password and only then you can. So all apps inside the folder, they work completely independently from the ones outside of it. Basically, you can have two versions of the same app, one inside and one outside the folder. So now we'll start and let's see how to set it up. First, open Settings on your phone. Search for Secure Folder. You should see this option in Security and Privacy. So click on it. Then here select Secure Folder. Then you'll reach this page. So click on Continue. Then this is all the access you'll have to give. So click on Continue. And now it's being created. So wait for a few minutes till it's done. Then you have to decide what security you want. So this is what you'll have to enter every time to open the Secure Folder. So select one of these options. Click on Next. And here, a Secure Folder is created. So these are the apps which are there by default. And as I mentioned earlier, all the apps inside the Secure Folder are completely independent of the ones outside. I'll give you an example. If I go to Gallery, as you can see, it's completely empty. Now the next thing I'll show you is how to add apps to the Secure Folder. To do this, click on the plus button that's here. And we have two options to add apps. One is if we already have the app on our phone, then we can scroll through this list and just add it from here. Let's say I want to add Instagram. I'll select it. And then if I click on Add, it will come. They also have an option to download from the Play Store. So if you do that, then you can download it from the Play Store and that app will only be seen in the Secure Folder. So for now, I'll just add Instagram and it's come here. And again, if I open it, you'll see that this app doesn't have any data. So this is how to add apps. The next thing I'll show you is how to add files from your device. So if there are some files on your phone which you want to bring to your Secure Folder, then click on the three dots over here and select Add Files. Then select the file type, if it's image, video, audio. For now, I'll go to My Files. Then here you can decide what files you want to move to the Secure Folder. So I'll select random ones for now. Let's say I want to move these two videos which I've taken. I'll select them and click on Done. Here they're asking if we want to move them or copy them. So if we move them, then they'll be removed from our device. Then you won't find it in the earlier location and you'll only see it in Secure Folder. But if you want it in both places, you can just copy it. Now it's getting copied and it's done. So now if I open My Files in Secure Folder, as you can see, the two videos have come here. So this is how the data transfer works. And the next thing I'll show you is how to access Secure Folder. So before that, there's one customization option. Again, click on the three dots, select Customize. And over here, you can decide the app logo and the app name. So currently the name is Secure Folder, but let's say you want to change it. Then like this, you can type anything you want. Then you can change the color. Then click on Apply. And it's done. So now I'll leave the Secure Folder and show you how to access it. Click on the three dots and select Lock and Exit. Then here I've come back to my home screen, and to access the Secure Folder, just go to the app drawer. And then whatever you've named the app, you'll find it in that section. So I had named it Random App, and you can see it's come here with the name and the logo. So now I'll click on it. Then here I'll have to put my password. And as you can see, we're back in the Secure Folder. So the last thing I want to show you are some settings. So for this, click on the three dots again and go to Settings. Here, they have a lot of settings which you can go through, but there are some important ones that you should know. First is if you want Secure Folder to show in the app screen. So currently it's enabled, and that's why we saw it, and we could access it from there. But if you want, you can disable that and then hide it. And you can see it's gone from here. And if I want to access it, I have to search on top. I have to open Settings. Then again, search for Secure Folder. Select this option. This is a complete list of all the settings they have. And I'll quickly show you the important ones. First is when secure folder should auto-lock. So if you select this, then these are the options. You can decide whichever you want. So each time you leave the app or after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, they have all these options. Then you can decide if you want to receive notifications. So if you select this, then all settings related to notifications are here. After that, you can decide if you want to show it in the app screen. So before this, we could access it from the app screen, but if you want to hide it from there, you can disable this option. And the last setting you should know is how to uninstall secure folder. For that, select More Settings, and then select Uninstall. And it will be deleted. So this is how it works. And if you want to see more Samsung videos, check out this playlist. Goodbye.